Assalamu alaikum, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are discuss about internet topic. The topic was complete course of Super VPN. Super VPN does not offer a traditional course as it is a software application. However, I can provide a comprehensive guide to help you get started and use Super VPN effectively. Super VPN tutorial. Download and installation. Go to the Super VPN website or App Store, Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Download and install the Super VPN app. Sign up and log in. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Verify your email address if required. Connecting to a server. Open the Super VPN app. Choose a server location from the list. Tap the connect button using Super VPN. Once connected, your internet traffic will be encrypted and routed through the chosen server. You can now access geo restricted content, browse anonymously, and enjoy enhanced security. Switching server. Tap the server tab to switch and to different location. Choose a new server and tap connects. Disconnecting. Tap the disconnect button to stop using Super VPN. Setting and feature. Explore the app. Setting for features like protocol selection. Example: OpenVPN, IKEv2, skill switch to block internet traffic if the VPN connection drops. Speed tuning to choose which app use the VPN. Tips and the best practices. Choose the right server location for your needs. Example: closest closest to your physical and the mountain and better speed. Use Super VPN on public Wi-Fi from hackers. Create an account of Super VPN and introduction of browse and interactively and made maintenance and very physical strength of the close Super VPN. Using Super VPN, once connected, your internet traffic will be encrypted and routed through the chosen server. You can now access geo-restricted content, browse anonymously, and enjoy enhanced security. Switch server. Tap the server tab to a different location. Choose a new server and tap connect. Disconnecting. Tap the disconnect button to stop using Super VPN. Setting and features. Explore the app. Security for future life. Choose the right server location for your needs. Example: closest or your physical location for better than. Review Super VPN terms of service and privacy policy. Understand their data and handling practices. By following this guide, you will be able to effectively use Super VPN to enhance your online security, privacy, and access to geo-restricted content. Create an account of Super VPN. To create an account on Super VPN, follow these steps. Go to the Super VPN website http://www.supervpn.net or download the Super VPN app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Click on the sign up or register button. Enter your email, addresses, password, and other required information such as name and birthday. Verify your email addresses by clicking on the confirmation link sent to you by Super VPN. Log into your account using your email addresses and password. You may be asked to provide additional information such as your name and address to complete your profile. Alternative, you can also create an account using your social media credentials such as Google or Facebook if available. Note, make sure to read and agree to SuperVPN terms of services and privacy policy before creating an account. If you encounter any issues during the sign up process, feel free to ask and I will be happy to assist you. With this, we end our video and see you in our next video. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.